The overall goal of these training methods are to improve eye coordination, eye-hand coordination, and eye-brain processing of visual information. Improving the processing of visual information from the periphery is often encouraged by coaches by advising use your peripheral vision, but without a method to improve that performance. However, by implementing training tools like a touch-responsive light board, reaction time to peripheral events can be improved. This video demonstrates several such methods and shows how these methods can also be used in sports medical intervention for concussion prevention.
So vision training is brain training. 85% of the sensory information that comes into the brain comes from the visual system. The main advantage of our training method is that we integrate all the main tasks that the eyes do for the brain, such that the brain gets more and better information faster and then can use that information better and more effectively. So visually demonstrating how to do the vision training is critical, because without seeing how to do this, many people will miss the little nuances of what eye discipline is when the eyes are actually engaged and not engaged. People can call numbers and people can call colors of balls, but are they actually seeing and taking that information in? Because when the eyes are working and you see the eyes are working, then you can take the next step and make sure that the brain is getting that information from the eyes. So demonstrating how to run and perform these tasks, we have two athletes. We have Carly.